Hi, now I'm going to show you how our OffScale form builder works. As you can see, we used basic Angular material components, and we have basic stuff here. Here are our form title example, form description example, and button submit that will be available for the user when this form will be created. Now we can see some tooltip will be available after form creation. This app creates JSON file that saves it to the local storage with information about form and elements we used. If we want to create some input or any other element, we can place it here and it will be saved into the JSON object that will be saved in the local storage. This JSON will produce information for the form, for the SQL builder and Open API builder. Now let's see how it works, or how it was supposed to work if we could create any material component. We can press button edit and open our side menu with basic information and some settings for our form. We can change background and other stuff like here, but that doesn't matter. We can edit some form title to another one, grade title for example, and form description. From some other form description. Okay. Now we can see form elements here, which is not supports now drag and drop, but we thought that we could better create more efficient, more clear application with less bugs and mock-up code, and make it more right, if we can say so. So this app uses NGRX Redux pattern, and most of actions happens via NGRX actions and effects and reducers and so on. For example, if we want to create any of listed elements, we can expand this drop down and select form element type, for example plain text and the mail, type title for the input and click add. But я со звуком пишу. Я пишу со звуком. So we can see that we now don't have any input, but it will be available if we had more time to implement it. We can see that we have placeholder like button and delete button to delete it. We can add any other element like date picker, which isn't date picker, but we implemented an algorithm of adding and removing items that will be placed in JSON and saved in the local storage. So we can press and create form button that will form this JSON and save it to the local storage. Now this JSON can be used in our other parts of our application, like SQL builder or Open API builder.